as nutri-cereal because of their high nutritional value. They are also called as Sri Anna. Our country, India, is the largest producer of millets and second largest exporter of millets. The main millet produced in India are sorghum millet jawar, pearl millet bajra, finger millet ragi, etc. In the list, the first three are the major millets and the rest five are the minor millets. Let's know what are the nutrient content of millets. Millets are full in iron, dietary fiber, calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid, etc. They also contain 7 to 12% protein, 2 to 5% fat, 65 to 75% carbohydrates, and at last 15 to 20% dietary fibers. Here is a very important thing to discussion about the health benefits of millets. Millets help in our digestive system, improves our immunity, keep blood sugar low, and the most important thing, they are gluten free. Moreover, they all help in the prevention of cancer, type 2 diabetes, keep our bones strong, keep our heart health okay. We get a lot of benefit from millets. Now the second part of the topic, superfood. What is superfood? There is no strict definition of superfood. Food that is considered to be very good for our health is called superfood. Here is a slide of superfood. Here we can see blackberry, pomegranate, turmeric, etc. All these superfood are rich in vitamins, protein, minerals, and antioxidant a healthy body needs. They also contain flavonoids. Flavonoids have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. So, in a single sentence, we can say that superfood are super good for our health. Now, the third part of the topic, fat diet or diet fat. What is fat diet? Fat diet is that diet who is become popular for claim of rapid weight loss. There is another benefits of fat diet, but they are not scientifically proven. So we can say as a very name, the effect of fat diet, fat soon. There are some lack important nutrients like fiber, complex carbohydrates, etc. So there is symptoms like dehydration, headache, fatigue, weakness, etc. So coming back to the subject, millet is superfood or a diet fat. According to me, millets are obviously superfood, not diet fat. As per they have all the good qualities and health benefits of superfood, so they are superfood, not diet fat. There are many states in India, but okay. Okay. There are many states in India, but let's talk about our own state, Odisha. Odisha started its millet mission in 2017. Odisha Millet Mission operational in 19 districts. Millets food distributed and sold by our mother of self-help groups. We are the third to distribute millets through PDS. To sum up, I would like to say that as we all know, India is the president of G20 summit, and millets are an integral part of G20 summit and the diet. So our loving Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji inaugurated the global millets conversation in New Delhi and said millets can help to tackle challenges for the food security. So I appeal all of you that to take millets in your own meals, to take millets in your daily items, and make Indian people physically strong, physically healthy. To make India physically and economically strong, let's take green alpha green revolution and make India the best. Jai Vigyan, Jai Bharat.